where I'm sitting, we're looking forward to bringing you the sights, sounds, and smells of the ball game.
I'm on cloud 9. It's one of the coolest days of my life.
From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on
Piao Mion means you're beautiful. Meyo Wenti, that's like no problem. Come back and talk to me in a decade, I'll be fluent in Mandarin.
Oh no, there's a baseball in there, folks. There it is.
He couldn't even catch a cold before tonight.
Man, I haven't heard the catch a cold line in a long time, but it's such an oldie but a goodie. I like the guy on the right. Look at him, double fisted.
12 minutes, 12 seconds. How did you do that?
A lot of practice, a lot of crunches this morning, a lot of cardio, and the will to win.
He's bragging about 9 when Joey, tell him Joey ate 72 and he's bragging about 9?
Sneak attack. Sneak attack.
Yeah, what a great shot. What are you doing?
He was awfully upset about one kernel of popcorn.
And if you hope you can't read lips.
If you were going to play baseball, what position would you play?
Oh, that's a great question. Probably shortstop, because you know you got to be a great athlete to play short. Center field, because I'm rangy and light on my feet, so I can feel like I cover a lot of ground.
Brugman dives and Brugman caught it.
How about that? What a nice guy.
That's a nice young man right there. Of course, he's got another one in his glove.
Fine, though.
I love pitching though. Pitching's a lot of fun.
What is going on there? Slow down, big fella.
Bernie!
Wow.
What is that?
That's magic.
First base would be fun too. You kind of just stand there and just, I got length and I'm pretty good at scooping balls.
My first name starts with G. My buddies call me G-Easy sometimes.
Oh, really?
No, I'm lying.
I mean, I
totally making that up.
On my softball team, I literally play every position but catcher. You know, I'm the utility guy.
It's actually whipped cream and it tastes good.
Oh, Canada, we stand on guard.
Here it is.
That was really good.
Way to go, Stu.
Right
Way to go, way to go.
Stage presence right there.
Somebody come and pick up these flowers.